In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Conversation View in Microsoft Outlook. If your inbox groups related emails into a single thread and you'd prefer to see each message on its own line, this quick change will make Outlook display messages individually. This is helpful if you want to spot the newest emails faster, find specific messages without expanding threads, or simply prefer a more traditional inbox layout. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook on your computer and make sure you're in the Mail view. At the top, look for the View tab on the ribbon. If your ribbon looks condensed, you might need to expand it or switch from a simplified ribbon to see all options. Once you're on the View tab, find the setting labeled Show as Conversations. It's a simple toggle. Go ahead and uncheck it to turn Conversation View off. Right after you uncheck it, Outlook will ask how broadly you want to apply this change. You'll see two choices: this folder or all mailboxes. Choose this folder if you only want to stop conversation grouping in the folder you're currently viewing, such as your inbox, a project folder, or another specific location. This is a great option if you're experimenting or if you only want an individual folder,